Welcome to the marina at Benalmadena. This bustling hub of activity is located on the southern coast of Spain, in the province of Malaga. The marina is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, with a wide variety of restaurants, shops, and attractions to enjoy. You can grab a bite to eat at one of the many seafood restaurants, browse the designer boutiques, or take one of the many boat trips on offer. It's January 2023, so let's have a look around. Considering it's January, the marina is quite busy. The temperature is low 20s and there are a few clouds in the sky. The boutiques and restaurants are open and there are a few boat trips running. Next to the port is a new arrival, the Mirador Princess. This is a 40-meter high, 14-cabin Ferris wheel which opened over Christmas. I've not been on the Princess, but would imagine the views from the top of the wheel to be impressive, looking over both Benalmadena and Torremolinos. If you are looking for a hotel near the marina, there will be a link at the end of this video for the MAC Puerto Marina Hotel. I hope you have enjoyed this episode that takes a look at Benalmadena Marina in January 2023. I think it shows the resorts on the Costa del Sol do not just shut down after the boys of summer have gone. So until next time, adios and thanks for watching.